I am Crystal.
And I'm Jordan. We're VanGo Auto.
We're really on a mission to change the way people experience car care. It's important that people know that you see them and that you're there for them.
We work on simple things and we work on hard things. We have OEM level diagnostic equipment and information at our fingertips. We are an evidence-based shop that really works hard at being able to show people this is what your car needs, this is what's going to resolve it.
What separates VanGo from other mechanics that I've had is the personal experience that you get. When I call, I just say, hey, it's Mike, and they know who it is. From my experience, when I've seen other people come into the lobby, they're on a first name basis with a lot of people. It's not just because I'm a repeat customer. They really take a great opportunity to get to know you, your car. That's the hardest thing to stomach, is unexpected expense. And it's odd how their team can do it with such kindness and compassion and make you feel like you're really making the right choice instead of they're taking advantage of you.
They're very honest. They do good work. It's stressful when your car breaks down, but when you come here, you know that your car is going to be fixed. You're not going to get cheated. You know, it's comforting to know that